Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I got a new mold set in the mail. This is from Amazon. It's from a company, I've gotten a few of theirs now, called ISSEVE, ISSEVE, I don't know. But anyway, this is a hexagonal bumblebee honeycomb set. And it was on sale. I think it was like $12 at the time that I got it. Obviously, it'll be linked in the description box below if you're looking for it. It's so cute. And it's a coaster set. So here are, all of the coasters are the same. And you get four coasters and the coaster holder. So I'm super excited about this. I'm probably going to do a black and gold color scheme for this. Maybe a black and like a gold yellow kind of thing. Obviously bumblebees. But anyway, so that is what we're doing today. Should be super simple and easy. Hopefully I don't mix up way too much resin for it, but let's give it a shot, hey? Alright, hang tight, let's get into it. Alright friends, so these are cured. I'm trying to decide which I wanted to mold first, the coasters or the holder. I think I want to start with the holder. I'm excited to see how they look. I think the colors look really cool. I also realized after I had finished pouring And I forgot to spray these coasters, so hopefully there's not like a ton of bubbles ridden in there. Okay. Very, very pretty. A lot of black. A lot more black than I wanted. Which is fine. It still looks really cool. I might do gold. My gold alcohol ink in that. Okay, well, let's get to the coasters now. Oh, wow. Wow. Very cool. And they fit right in there. What do you guys think? Oh, I think they're so cute. And I'm not seeing a ton of bubbles, which I'm very, very happy about. Very pretty. I love this little set. Now I did pour these just a little too thick, so they're gonna fit in here, but this one might be hanging out a little bit. But I don't know. There we go. So yeah, it's a little thick, but I think they turned out fantastic. Again, if I do this again and I do like some black in there, I might do a lot less black. The sides turned out really cool too. But I love these. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Alright, so that is today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.